Today's trade secret tip is a wood preparation tip. I'm going to show you how to take a dent out of a piece of wood that you put in by mistake. In this case, there's a couple on the edge of this guitar that Elise is putting together. She's one of my shop helpers. She's all freaked out about it, but it's not a big deal to get rid of a dent. I'm not talking about a fracture when the wood is crushed. If that happens and you get these figures of wood coming up, you won't be able to swell all that out. You'll have to use filler. So all we're going to do here is wet a rag with hot water, a little piece of t-shirt, soft cotton. I've got this about on high, my soldering iron here. I'm going to wet that dent. It's right here, I can feel it. And I'm going to squeeze that rag out a little bit. Don't want it too wet. I'm going to set that on there and heat it. I'm going to steam it. Now when that dries, it's going to look pretty good, and I can speed it up with my hot air gun here. Then I'm just going to smooth off that swollen grain with a little 320. That's nice. It's invisible. When you're done with that soldering iron, always tin it with a little solder. Keep it clean and fresh. Not many tools involved with this job. Soldering iron, a damp rag. I like to use a heat gun. Go for it.